Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite CPR Trading. So we are going to review on Triple Q. So market had a really huge gap down because of NVIDIA. So there was a news about Chinese DeepSeek AI. Because of that, it had a negative impact on NVIDIA stock, and because of NVIDIA, market was down much more. Like NVIDIA opened below 12% in pre-market, right? So at the close, it closed almost 17% from the closing of 24th Jan. So very huge gap down the US market had. Currently, if we see US futures are trading almost flat, as you can see. It's trading in a complete sideways manner because it had a very huge fall yesterday. It tried to recover almost 50 percentage, and from there onward, it's completely trading in a single range. Also, if we see Bitcoin is currently up by 1,000 points. Let's see where Bitcoin goes. So we'll shift to triple Q on a daily chart with monthly pivots. So yes, if we see that currently triple Q is trading below this monthly pivots, right? So yes, until and unless we don't get a closing about 520, we will just go for we'll just go for short trades only and not for long, because if again triple Q trades in this range, right, it will be again choppy. Like just see this, it will just again create a choppy movement. It has to go either below this range, or it should break above this range, right? Then only we will get a good movement. Until and unless it will trade inside this range, we will just get choppiness. Either we will hit our stop loss, we won't get any good trades, right? So let's say on a hourly time frame, for on a weekly pivots, right? So if we observe that the market has a trend ascending CPR, right, on hourly charts with weekly pivots. Also, if we see that this range is currently narrow, so this is indicating a trending week, right? So already a trend happened because of a huge gap down. We did not get any good opportunity to go for a short in during market hours, right? So yes, currently this is trading at this is support 2, this is support 1. I have to change the color of I have to put this color here over here. So yes, currently it's trading above or at support 2. So let's see how it trades. On every rise we are going to sell until and unless we get a closing above this 520 level, right, on an hourly chart. Until and unless we will just go for short setup only. And yes, if by any chance we get long opportunity, go with half quantity, because here there is monthly pivots on a daily chart, and here there is weekly pivot on a hourly chart, right? So until and unless we don't get a very good closing over here, don't go with full quantity, trade with half quantity. Secure your save your profits or save your capital, because this range will be quite choppy for some days. Until and unless we get a breakout or breakdown, we won't get a good one side movement, right? So let's see on a 5 minutes chart, did we get any opportunity? So his market opened a very huge gap down, almost about $18 or 3.5 percentage down. We usually we don't get any good trades if there are news going on around, and any indicator will not work if there's news going on in the market, right? So yes, because of the news, it opened a huge gap down, and we saw this pullback, and again we saw some selling. But in the end, leaving these two moves, market was completely sideways during this range, right? So yes, we are expecting a trending market. We did not get any good opportunity, either to go long or either to go short. I did take a few quantity on this breakout, but yes, it was just scalping sold over here, and no, and I did not take any trades in this choppiness, right? So better is to just avoid. Though we did miss this move because it's not in our hand because of the news, right? So if we see next day CPR, just put it to next day CPR. So yes, we are seeing this one single line. Either it will be again choppy, it will it will hit our stop loss. So better is to trade with very less quantity and not go for big quantity or for big movements. Let's see if we get any good resistance breakout or breakdown. We will trade with less quantity only. So currently market has closed, if we see, this was our yesterday CPR, so it has closed below, though it was a huge gap down. And today we are seeing this thin line, thin CPR, right? So either it will create a choppiness or it will hit our stop loss continuously. So yes, trade safely because the range is very much small. So yes, trade according to it. If you liked our video, please subscribe our channel. Also like our video, right? We'll come with new analysis tomorrow. Thank you so much.